Hey, so I got something in the mail today. I ordered it last month or 2 weeks ago, I think. No, more than 2 weeks ago. Yeah, definitely last month, around Christmas time, and it arrived today. I'm pretty sure you guys can guess what this is, or maybe not. I don't know if you follow my channel or not, but I haven't mentioned it anywhere else. So we're gonna be unboxing this weird Balisong trainer from CD Balisong. So he's very how would you say this? Adventurous or innovative, I guess, when it came to this design, or maybe he copied off someone else. Because when I first saw this Balisong, I was thinking to myself, hey, that idea is actually so crazy, it just might work. Or so crazy, that's so stupid, that it's just a gag, right? But I feel like every if someone is striving for change, and oh no, almost knocked over my sriracha. I feel like anyone who is being very adventurous or innovative or just trying new things in terms of their passion or whatever is very remarkable. Yep. When one is passionate, one is remarkable. Oops. Now, CD Balisong has been getting a lot of hate because some of their designs are kind of similar to Glider Co's, or some people might say it's a Glider Co clone, right? But you have your own voice in that, and I'm not gonna tell you what to think. So, ooh, look at that packaging. Oh, it's a slide. Whoa, look at that. Oh, experience. The product gives experience. Oh, what is this? It even has, oh, yo, CD Balisong stepping up their game. Look at this. Product experience. What is this? A piece of paper. Like a fortune cookie. Friendly reminder. The screws are locked counterclockwise and open clockwise. I thought it was a fortune cookie. But yeah, CD Balisong's screws are reverse threaded, if that's the right word for it. And yeah, I don't even remember how many screws I stripped with using these things. I don't know. I think some people are just unlucky or lucky. Whoa! What? It feels weird. It feels so weird. I don't know if I should be happy or not. Yeah, so what interests me the most is the blade shape, to be honest. I was supposed to get my squid trainer clone handles and put this blade on it, but I lost my squid trainer. Sheesh. What do I even feel about this? The blade design is sick, right? Looks awesome, I think. Definitely. Like, where have you seen this thing before? Well, I guess the Max Ace, I want to say Banshee, but I don't know, where it's just the line that goes that way, right? Or Titanium's trainer blade, where it's just that. But this looks like shark teeth. Same desu, right? Ooh, I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's flip here. Yeah, I'm wearing milk socks and cookie socks. Right, so first flips. Let's see. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. It's definitely different. It's Okay. Dude, I don't even know. I can't even compare. Wait, let me get... What? Okay, so this is from them, right? Circular rounded handles. Okay, in terms of weight and lightness, it's super light. Well, this is not a real blade for this, but I'm trying to gauge the feel. Okay, so I don't know, it's like ketchup and relish, right? I don't know how I feel about these handles, man. So in terms of weight, it's very light. In terms of grip, I don't know. So it's slippery when you flip here on the rounded side, but once you get there where the blade goes into, it feels so weird. It's like it catches your grip when... Okay, so I'm getting all my grip from the inside of the... I'm getting all my grip from the inside of the Balisong. Chaplains? Ooh. Whoa, okay, so why is the grip... Okay, so basically the grip is inside the Balisong. Well, outside. Okay, so in terms of, let's say... What do I grab? Nah. Okay. Let's say this is basically the Kraken handles. Right? So with this, you can feel the grips here, right? On the sides that Okay. You can feel the grip here in with the sides of the Balisong, wherein if you hold it like that, you'll feel it right there, right? When you hold this Balisong, I don't even know what to call this. When you hold this Balisong and grip it like that, it feels like you're not having grip at all. It's very challenging, okay? But once you do this, let's say you hold it like that, right? If you're holding a Balisong like this, the grips are here on your fingertips, like how you would feel a guitar string. Weird. Weird yet new. I don't know, just... I don't even know what to recommend. I don't even know how to say... Dude, I don't know. I don't know, man. So, okay. This I would rate. It's definitely new, but I don't know if I like it or not. Because you guys ever, I don't know if you guys had, if your mom or your aunt or your sister have jewelry that are pearls, it looks, it feels exactly like holding like a necklace, like a neck piece, which is made out of pearls, or maybe I can't even. I literally can't even. I've been trying to put words together to describe how to try and describe how this flips, but I can't. I literally can't. What I can tell you is that it's light. It's light. Does it flip nice? Does it flip well? I guess. Aerials function. Fans function. Chaplains functions very well. Like for chaplains, I feel like it grips my finger. For rollovers, yo, I don't know, man. I feel like I'm stopping myself from saying that it's good. And also, just because it's new and just because I can't compare it to anything else, I want to say it's bad because it's out of the norm and super sus. Let me put lube on it, because that's what you do, right? You put lube on. I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. It's definitely fun to flip. Oh, whoa, okay. So, what did I try to do there? I tried to do a choker fan, right? Okay, so with choker fans, if you don't catch your choker fans right away in the inside the handle, oops, I think I'm flipping out of frame. Just because I'm trying this new whole setup with both my hands. Wow, both my hands are free. Look at that. But it's way too near. I think I need a wide angle. Yeah, definitely need a wide angle if I want to keep this rig up. But yeah, overall, I would say this is a question mark over 5 dolphins. And yeah, I think I'm having fun with it. What? It's so hard to say it. But whatever, man. I'll try and do another review after a week, because I don't even. Peace.